Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating an aftermarket AM-FM-8 track sent in by Kimber and Candace in Napa, California. Reported problems with the 8-Track. 8-Track wouldn't work, so let's go ahead and run it through its paces, make sure everything works before we send her back. So I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get.
Is who you are, and you get to decide also.
And while we got on talk radio, we'll check our speaker.
Those around you. You can get
balance left,
or you can be the opposite
to the right
of that. And today, with social
left,
media,
right,
you can, it's not just the people in your physical circle. Your circle can obviously be a lot bigger virtually.
Okay, let's check our FM. There's a little bit of FM action here. Okay, and we don't want to let this run too long because of copyright issues, so
Jackson, I'd like to wish you a
let's pop in some Neil Sedaka, 8-Track.
Well, baby, I'll explode if you don't. You're the one I've waited for. Go out and gather a few.
Okay, blank spot there. We'll just wait for the next song to start. Why not? There we go.
Don't underact. Gotta travel to you.
Alrighty. Pull the tape out and the radio comes back. And that's pretty much it. There's not much to test on this type of unit. There's no convergence, there's no balance, or there's no virtual fader functions to test. So she's ready to go back, and I'm ready to get on to the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you can reach me for service by visiting the website in the description below, and printing out a work order will tell you all my options that I offer and all my prices, including options for turn times. That way, if you still need to call me, it's just a minute or two, a quick last-minute question, or if you just want to have a quick chat to get to know me and trust me. But as far as answering the same questions from new customers over and over and over, that's no longer possible if I'm going to put out good work on the bench. So please do visit my website and print out a work order before calling me. After you've done that, I'm happy to talk to you. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Kimber and Candace, for your business from Napa, California, and we'll see you all next time.